how to delete your Tinder profile permanently in 2023. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. So first of all, you have to open up your Tinder app and make sure you are logged in with your account. After that, in the right lower corner, you can see the profile option. So simply tap on that. By tapping on that, you'll be able to see the settings or gear option in the right upper corner. So simply go through it. After that, you'll be able to see the new updates and settings of the Tinder in 2023. You have to scroll down below until you see the delete account option at last. So you have to go through delete account option. You can also pause your account for a while, which is deactivation, but we are looking for deleting, so simply go for delete my account option. And if you want to select any of the reason over here, then you can select, but if you don't want, that's okay. You can tap on the skip option in the right upper corner, and from here you can still choose to pause my account, but we are going for deleting our account, so tap on delete my account option. And after a few seconds, you can see the account has been deleted. So by following this simple step, you can delete your Tinder profile permanently. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.